So today I'm going to teach you SEO tactics that you have never seen. So we have this vertical and horizontal map, and here we have white hat SEO and high value SEO and low value and black hat SEO, and I have categorized into all these four categories. So we're going to go through one by one and what are the best SEO practices that you should take, and I'm going to show you what are the black hat SEOs and low value. Okay, so let's start with white hat SEO tactics, but which are low value. So I'm going to say spam reporting competitors. So most people, what they do is they'll look up at the competitors, their ranking, and they're going to spam report them. They either go to the blog comments and put some spam keywords to make it D-rank, or submit it to Google, or some kind of spam pages, like they'll have a separate domain to backlink as a spam pages. So which is a white hat, but it's a low value. Okay, so if you do with your own domain, it's going to affect your own domain also, but it's a low value. And the second thing is Yahoo directory submission. Like many people submit to Bing, Yahoo, but I don't think many people use Yahoo. So Google is a number one traffic source and number one where people go to Google search. And Wikipedia links, you have this event. At first it used to be earlier days, it used to be a good practice to go get backlinks from Wikipedia page, but nowadays it doesn't matter. It's still white hat, it still helps you, but it's a low value. It doesn't give you that much credits. And then next we have meta keywords. Like many people try to keyword stuff with the meta keywords, but I usually make my meta title like a clickbait rather than focusing on keywords, and description also clickbait. So I put it in a white hat, but it's a low value. Like Google doesn't give that much credits to meta title and SEO descriptions. And then we have press release optimization. Like many people, what they do is they take, even though there is a niche content, they follow the news press related content and try to write articles for that, and then internal link to the domain or what are the specific pages they want traffic for. So it's still white hat SEO, you still get a traffic, but it's not that's a best practice. Okay, let me zoom in. And then we have the low value, but it's a black hat, which you should want to ignore. Okay, so I'm writing this, you should want to ignore this. So what are those things you should ignore? So we have automated content generation. So there's a lot of tools nowadays. You have many writing tools, and many people use ChatGPT free version. It's fine if you customize the GPT, and it's fine if you have a custom tailored prompts which can humanize AI content. By the way, if you don't know how to humanize AI content, I have 100 plus prompts to humanize AI content. You just have to click in the link in the description and you'll get it for free. Now, but stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you which is a very good tool which I use for parasite SEO. And then next we have reciprocal link trading. Many people try to embed links from high domain authority, but you shouldn't do that. So you should avoid this. This is a black hat. You should only internal link to relevant pages, posts. And then keyword stuffing, I say this from beginning, guys, you shouldn't very much focus on keyword and etc. Try to write it for user intent. That's the key. And then next we have unniche related backlinks. Again, this is too much black hat. Many people try to get backlinks. They get paid backlinks, but it's unniche related. They go to the high domain authority, which is getting a lot of traffic, but not even niche, but not even topic wise related. They get backlinks from that domain, which is not a good idea, which I put it in a black hat and low value. And then unverified backlinks. So you will get free backlinks too, but you should verify. So some website, if you Google, if you get a backlinks support from spam website, then it's going to even affect the SEO of your domain. So you shouldn't, get unverified backlinks. Okay. If you ask me, hey Raj, what's a black hat SEO tactics and then which is a high value? Okay. Now there are two things which I can recommend. One is a do follow blog comments. You go to the niche, related, blog sites, your topic related blog sites, find your competitors, leave a comment, in the comment itself, you ask them to do follow to your site. And if you do that, every single day to your competitors, without spamming, all the paragraphs, without spam content, write some good comments. So by accidentally, you're going to get some, okay? So you should do follow blog comments, which are very, very powerful when it comes to SEO. And then can do something called parasite SEO, which I can show you. So what I'm going to do is, I usually do this. What I'm going to do is write an article using journalist AI. So this is a tool I use. This is a great tool to write, AI SEO writer that auto-publishes to blog. Now, I don't auto-publish to my domain, but rather what I do is I, write blog posts for all this social medias and try to, spam in these social media sites, okay? LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, and then try to backlink to my domain. So I use Journalist AI. Right now we are inside Journalist AI dashboard, and you have articles. Under articles you have generate articles, history, okay, and all articles you have generated. So right now you can see I have generated many articles, and if you even have AI SEO editor, which shows you even humanize, and also it auto prompts you to change the sentence, okay? And then you also have customization presets. You can add presets. So just like this, real estate and dog niche, I write articles for dog niche, so I have presets. So presets are nothing but you tell journalist AI how articles should be generated, and modify, and you can also modify to however you want, like making it more humanized. And then you also have knowledge base, and then custom images. You can also upload images which can be default when embedding in your blog articles. You can also add your own images just to make it personalized, okay? And you also have auto blog automation, okay? So you can integrate your WordPress. So you can go to integrations and you can integrate here. You can simply click on integrate, and it will. So you can see right here, you have many options. You can integrate to Blogger if you're using a free domain Blogger site. If you don't have a domain, by the way, there will be a link in the description to my Hostinger where you get domain free for 1 year. Tool Journalist AI also has integration with Shopify, okay? Now there are more tools, guys. This is the best tool compared to all other SEO writers, indexers, publications. So, and then you also have auto linking feature, which can generate audit, and if you simply integrate your WordPress, it will try to auto link. So if you want to generate articles, you can simply click on SEO article, and it will ask you a keyword, focus keyword and title. You can hit generate article, and then if you select images, your right option, you also have the image provider, which you have 3 options, which is a stock photos, which is taken by humans, or AI images, which is generated by completely AI. And then you can also input the custom images, okay? So this is a basic overview, but you can check that out. The link will be in the description. You can also use Raj 10, okay? Now what I'm trying to say is, for parasite SEO, you can literally use this AI tool, which is a humanizer, to write articles in this site, okay? Now coming back to white hat SEO and then completely high value. So these are top SEO practices. So first one, we have XML sitemap, which you should constantly check your sitemap, okay? So see if the published pages post are in the sitemap or not, because the first thing Google does to your domain is read the sitemap itself. That's how Google indexes your URLs, okay? And then the next thing you have is vertical search targeting. So these are writing a specific intent, okay? Specific keywords, long, search intent, long tail keywords, you call it. These are going super niche related specific, that is called vertical search targeting, okay? You answer to one specific person who is searching for one keyword. That is a vertical search targeting. And then keyword research is really important, as you know. And then embedded widgets and badges, make sure you have a proper navigation. Okay, it shouldn't be badges, it should be menu and navigation. Embedded widgets and navigation. Okay, proper navigation, site structure, and site speed. Okay, and viral content, link bait, niche related only. So guys, so let's take an example. Okay, best gaming laptops. So when many people, when Amazon, sells their shopping sales, recently we had one sale, October sale, so Black Friday sale. So at that time, many people, try to search some kind of keywords. So best gaming laptops happened to be one. So I wrote an article, and it was viral content. Okay, it has the high search intent when the sale was going on, and then I catched a trend. My affiliates. Then you have on-page, off-page SEO. This I already explained. Rewriting dynamic URL with canonical tag. So guys, when you try to write, same type of content for two different URLs, and if you don't have canonical tag, turned on, it will show you as an error in a Google Search Console. Like it shows you duplicate content error, and to not get flagged as a duplicate content, you can use canonical tag and internal link each other, and this is called rewriting dynamic URL. Okay, and then you have proper internal linking. So as I explained, try to internal link as relevant as possible. Do not internal link with high domain authorities like irrelevantly.